wanted kind of birthday gift.
Thank you, thank you.
So yeah, if you can wear that with pride, and you know that's your Duterte watch, the famous Duterte watch.
Thank you so much.
That's one of the reasons why I wanted to come over here, was to give that to you personally, Alvin. And thank you for what you've done. You know, you've done so much, and I really
I'm so
appreciate it.
privileged.
You know,
Because I told you, right, that I really
love it.
I really love this watch. I was like, oh my God,
So I
thank
thought
you.
about it and I prayed about it and I thought, you know what, I'm going to come over today and give this
I
to
was
Alvin
even sad that
personally.
you lost it.
Yeah, I'm like, my God, my watch, where is it? But my dear friend Geraldine from European
thank you,
Media Network kind of gave it.
I'm so
back to me.
emotional. Thank you, Malcolm.
Yeah, you're
I
welcome.
appreciate
Honestly,
it. Thank
honestly.
you. Thank you,
Yeah,
guys.
and you'll take care of it.
I
I've written
will.
something about you on social media as well.
Yeah.
Say how amazing you've been. But there we are, Alvin. That's yours.
Thank you.
All right.
Hala, uy, kakayawan. Ama na mong bak.
Nag-park.
Hindi siya mom.
What's going to do? That's what I'm planning. Ano ba yan?
Malcolm, why would you do that?
You know, you've been through so much, and you're such a good person, and I really feel that you deserve it. You know, I spoke to Ma'am Geraldine about it, I've spoken to a couple of other people about it, and I've said, listen, it's from my heart. I really feel that you're the right person for it. As I said to you, I feel closer to the president when I wear it. And if you look at my Facebook, there's so many stories where I've spoken about my Duterte watch. But as I said, you know, I'm not going to live forever, and I just feel I want someone to have it who's really going to keep it close to them. So that's you.
Thank you again. I'm so speechless, Malcolm. Really, I swear to you. Thank you.
No problem. Salamat.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Grabe si Malcolm.
Pauli ko, di gustong tayo.
Ako ga dubo dito. Napa, uy. Napagang. Dali ba? Uy. Pagkaon diri ba kay... Thank you, Malcolm. I already gave it a hug. I gave him a hug. It's the Duterte watch, guys. Actually, it says, Malcolm, thank you so much.
No, honestly, you really deserve it. You know, as I said, from day one, you've been there for Filipinos.
Yeah.
You know, for some Filipinos, maybe those living in Davao, maybe those who come from Davao, maybe other parts of the Philippines, they couldn't be here.
No.
And Alvin's been here. He started off with like 200 followers or something, right?
Yeah.
And you've been here from day one. You were able to get Attorney Kaufman to speak. You were able to update people on the case. And I just feel you've been through a lot recently, and I just feel that you deserve it. And you know, I nearly lost it once, as you know, in the hotel. And I thought, if I'm going to lose it again, I want to give it to someone who's going to treasure it and has that connection with the former president. So that's you.
Thank you, Malcolm. Really, thank you so much.
Honestly, thank you. You deserve it.
Thank you so much.
I can
Guys,
go home
welcome,
happy.
guys.
And I can go home happy now. Like, it's one of the reasons I came today was because I wanted to give him the watch. I was praying about it, and I said, you know what? I really need to give it to somebody
Thank you, Malcolm.
who deserves it. Thank you,
Thank
Alvin.
you, thank you.
for what you do, Alvin.
Thank you. Oh, especially Malcolm. Yeah. Yan na siya. Kailan kung di ko naguna-una. Go. Kailan kung di ko naguna-una. Go. Kaon sa ba? Kaon ba? Hindi po. Grabe, guys. Sige. Ate, gusto mo mag-shout out? Germany. Hello.
South Berlin.
Oh. Hello po, taga Germany po si ma'am. Pumunta po siya dito ngayon. Hello.
Shout out Arong family from Davao.
Arong?
Arong.
Hello, shout out po Arong family from Davao. Kamusta mo diyang tanan?
Tagdangwa, Davao.
Tagdangwa, Davao. Hello. Si ma'am taga Germany. Leipzig si ma'am. Ma'am, how do you feel na naka din sa Duterte Street?
Of course. Very thankful nga na ako dere. Awan na say da, gusto na ako makita kung asa nag...
Later, ma'am, nandito po si
Yes.
VP. Nandito si VP Inday.
Si Katie, wala.
Napon si Kitty. Opo.
Okay.
Yes,
Nice
po.
meeting you, Alvin.
Nice to meet you.
Tagabutuan mo diya ka, no?
Tagabutuan kayo, ma'am.
Yes, nasa butuan natin.
Ampayon. Oh.
Ang payon.
Oh.
Napit kailan kuan, mentor na ko siya sa church.
Kinsa, ma'am?
Miranda, Plido. Elmer Miranda.
Wala ko kukuha.
Tagabutuan sa siya.
Wala ko kukuha, ma'am. Sa ampayon raman ko, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you,
thank
ah.
you. Nice meeting you, ma'am. Nice meeting Na-amaze ko actually.
Nadaghan kayo, no?
Oh, thank you.
Thanks to ma'am.
Mm.
Sige.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Kaya lang sa akin, sino gusto na lang.
Dali picture to, dali picture to.
Hindi. Sige. Dapat dito ka tatay dito.
Dali, dali, dito, dali. Hello po.
Camera. Okay. Sige. Ano na, ganun naman. Ako pa sa tayo.
Sorry tay, sorry tay.
Ay, anak mo, anak. Sige. Ready? Silang the best na.
Thank you ha. Thank you ha. Ate, gusto ka mag-shout out? Oh, dili. Dili siya mag-shout out.
My girl, ano, ang simbahan.
Lagi, lagi. Thank you ha. Ikaw, ma'am, gusto mo mag-shout out, ma'am? Gusto mo mag-shout out?
Sige, shout out tayo.
Taga-amang ka, ay sorry.
Sige, shout out tayo.
Saan po kayo, ma'am?
Taga Netherlands pero taga Baguio po ako.
Taga-Bago.
Kinabati ko, shout out at sa lahat ng mahal kong mga Pilipino at mga mahal ko pa rin Pilipinong nasa Netherlands at sa lahat ng buong mundo. So, bring Daday back po. Please, help focus na magbalik natin si Daday Digong po. Shout out sa lahat ng mga Pilipino. Shout out sa mga taga Baguio na pamilya ko. Salamat po, Sir Alvin. Thank you.
It's my honor.
Continue.
Thank you,
Just
ma'am.
continue.
Thank you for being
Kayo
here.
na mag-shout out na kayo.
Ikaw, ma'am, gusto mo mag-shout out, ma'am? Ayaw na. Oh, lagi. Shout out din taga Butuan. Taga-Butuan ba? Hindi mo din. Hindi ko na. Ayaw, ano.
Shout out na lang sa tanan akong mga igsoon kaya sa Butuan,
Ka sa Butuan, ma'am.
sa Pagatpatan.
Uy, taga-Pagatpatan. Hello, mga taga-Pagatpatan.
Yung mga
Hello, shout out po.
Sa akong mga igsoon nga.
Thank you po.
Sa akong mga ante.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Ikaw nagdala sa Biko, person.
Kaya ako na. Sige na, okay na. Thank you na. Thank you. Yun na, oh. Thank you po so much sa inyo. Hello po. Aldo, shout out. Hello. Guys, gihotag di akong watch ako, guys. I really like it. I also have a watch, no? And this is also a Rodrigo Duterte watch given to me by PDP Laban. Look. And now I have this. Wala, oy, thank you kaayo, Malcolm. Ma'am. Oh, ma'am, shout out madali, ma'am. Shout out, ma'am.
Hello! Shout out sa Mansilita family and then all the staff of Jarala German Specialized Clinic in Kuwait. Hello! And special mention to Yulisa and Nisha, my favorite baby girl.
Thank
Bye.
you po. Oh my God.
Iyak yun yun.
Kaya nga. Saan na may oras? Manira man actually. Wala pa. So,
Wala ka ba yung mga penguin?
Kaya nga no, ang nakakatukan.
so gang, I am wearing the watch. And I'm eating as well. Yes. Daghag Bisaya. Uy, daghag kay Bisaya gang. Look. Hi po. Yan.
Hindi lang pita.
Ano daw?
Masarap?
Lami.
Lami ako eh.
Lami ba?
Yes.
Next mo ko na sabi pa sa ano? Atong ano?
Isa.
Hindi, lami.
Ayun ako.
Sige, picturean mo habang kumakain.
Ay, lami na. Mas lami na.
Malcolm, I'm wearing
Actually
it.
wearing it. Oh my god, I've really got a picture of you wearing it.
May kaon mo, Biko. Ano
I
ka ulam?
really like it.
Gusto niyo mag-jump.
You know what?
Sharon, pwede mo Sharon.
You were like flexing, like, oh, I want to.
I know, and since that time I've been thinking about it. And the thing is, so that is not everyone gets that, you know. And I'm the only foreigner. Not many foreigners actually got to meet that night. Probably I'm one of the only foreigners. So you can say it's been with a British guy who met the president, and now you're.
It's like passing on to a piece of history.
Yeah, and that's right, and that's what it's about. It's about a legacy. I've written a really long speech, which I've stuck on Facebook, about the reasons why I've given it to you and your support and everything for the community.
Thank you
So
so much.
I'm pleased. I'm pleased
Thank
to go.
you.
I feel relieved. That
I'm really.
That's one of the reasons why I came here. You know?
Thank you, kaayo. Thank you, Malcolm.
wala na.